Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is a special video for me. I was sent this lovely box of cleaning goodies from Zoflora and I wanted to show you how I used each and every one of these cleaning goodies. I love Zoflora. It smells amazing, so I'm going to show you how each and every one of these can be used to clean your home. One thing that I love about Zoflora is that their products are pet friendly. So we have a pet, and if you have one, these are the cleaning products for you because they are safe to use around your pets. Just be mindful that they are away from the areas until they are dry. So I'm starting off with the Mountain Air Disinfectant Mist Spray. This can be used on fabrics and hard surfaces. So I'll just spray that on top of our sofa just to make it fresh, and it smells so good. Next, I move on to wiping surfaces, and I like to use the multi-purpose disinfectant cleaner spray in Midnight Blooms. This smells so good. So make sure that you spray onto the surface and leave for 5 minutes to kill bacteria. After 5 minutes, come back and wipe with a wet cloth and your surface is clean and bacteria free and smelling so beautiful. I then use the Linen Fresh disinfectant. It's concentrated, so you only need 2 small cupfuls to mop, and this smells so good and disinfects your floors whilst you're mopping. I really love it. Moving on to my favorite and quick cleaning, these are the antibacterial multi-surface wipes, which are biodegradable. I love them. You just take one out, wipe the surface, and it's all clean, and it actually removes the grime. The last one, which is my absolute favorite, is this Power Bathroom Spray, and it is so good at removing lime scale and soap scum, and I just use this to clean my sinks and taps, and you will see how shiny it looks after you've used this to clean. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me use these Zoflora products, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!